Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to create a table model. Okay, and I will recommend you to follow with me to create a table. First we will press shift plus A. Before that I will turn on the screencast ease so that you can view easily the keys. Okay, so we will press shift A, then we will go into cube, then we will look it from Z axis and increase its size in x, first in x and y axis, then in z axis. So you might be thinking that what type of table I am creating, but stay tuned, you will know that what type of table I am creating, and it's very easy table, so you do not have need to think about it. Okay, now this can do. Now shift this and rotate this to z axis 90, then again shift D, then rotate this to 90, but in I think in x axis. Okay, so you might be thinking to looking this structure that what type of table I am going to create, but stay tuned, you will learn something new definitely. Okay, so let me check the things. Yeah, now it is perfectly. Let me do this. Now it is perfect. Okay, now what we will do, we will join these. We have done this. Now I will add a modifier which name is boolean modifier, and I have done this. Now you can see that this work has been done, but I do not want this type of result. So what I will do, I will undo this joining and we'll do it one by one. Okay, so now first H, press H here and here, then here press boolean, then H. Now I got the result which I wanted. So now we will apply this, and now I will make this and hide it and increase it in x-axis. Okay, you can see. Then I will do boolean again with the same object, same method. I'm choosing this, then hide and see that the same result I get again. So this will do this. Of course there are a lot of ways to do this, but I am doing it this way. Okay, it's your own preference that if you think that you can do the same thing with any other way, you can do. Okay, so again I will select the object, then boolean, then selector, then hide, and see that are you getting your preferred results or no. Okay, most of the time you will get your results, preferred result, but the second way I am thinking to tell you, so let's tell you that move it at this side, scale it. Okay, then add here and wireframe modifier. You can see you can add thickness here. Okay, as you can see that thickness is added to this. Now apply this, then what you can do, there is solidify modifier, you can use it and get the same result, but I use this. I tell you both of the methods, it's on you that which method you are going to use. I'm not making you to bother. 3D modeling is like thinking, that how much greater you think, how much better things you are going to create. As much you are going to think betterly, you are going to create things betterly. Okay, so now we'll do this, then press E to extrude, then I will move it little bit upward to create little different table. Okay, now there's we are going to do shading. Okay, first let me create an spacing that should feels like that the table is floating, but it is too much space, so I am thinking to make it more downward as much as it is possible. I will down this. Now this we will select from here and here. Also doing this, there's another way, but it's my preference, so I am doing this because I know that with this way I can do quickly as compared to others. So that's why I'm using this method. Okay, let's apply Control A. Now it's okay for me. Yeah, now let's color it. Okay, so what I want is the main color of all this would be black iron. Okay, so I will go here and write black iron, and then I will move to material tabs. Here you can see any of the material you like, add this in your blender scene, then we will let it load, and as it is loaded, what we will do, we will go to material tab of object, then we will this. Now you can see the texture in blender shading mode. Okay, so now I am going to add a texture of white marble, okay, which would be head of table, white marble. I have done this. Now I will add it to side in any object, other object. Let it load. Let's create add plane on which we are going to add. I press this. Now let it load. Now let's select these, and these. Not this one. Okay, this one too. Here we will use the marble texture. Let me apply it here, and at here we are going to use wooden texture. So I will find the wooden texture, then add it to plane, wooden texture. And you can see now I am thinking to choose think no 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 I think this would be fine. So we will add this into our table. Now what I will do, I will add this. This is not looking good, so I have another option. We can add this of marble. Ta-da! Our basic table is ready. And if you have followed this tutorial and created with me, congrats to you. You are going toward becoming a great 3D modeler with me. Okay, so we will meet in another video, another day, very soon. Bye bye.